Nick Simon, who's the rugby correspondent at the Mail. England now has the best front row in world rugby. Stats do confirm that they concede the least penalties at the scrum. Is that a good measurement?
If that's what you're going for, to concede the least amount of penalties, then you've got to say that's a success. But like, it sounds like a bit of a defeatist mindset. Like, we're going to be aggressive and go, we're going to try and destroy you. Whether we concede one penalty or a few short times, we want to destroy your scrum. Look, England went well in November. They played some decent stuff.
Yeah.
They've got some depth there as well, actually.
Will Stewart's been a big one.
Yeah, he's been
getting
great.
two tight ends, because that was the issue
Gen's
before.
been good. Baxter's been good. Joe Hayes has been good.
Yeah.
The beauty about the Springbok scrum is not just the three starters, but whoever comes on, and then
But
all the others.
also.
So it's for 80 minutes. It's not just for 40 or 50. So they've got a bit of depth, and they've
Jimmy,
done
this
well.
is your department.
Exactly.
Tell us.
Tell us what you think.
I was going to make a comment. If England played Ireland, it would not be the same job that we did against Ireland in terms of scrums, or France, or New Zealand. England wouldn't dominate them at scrum time like we have.
Yeah.
There's no way.
Probably not.
Next year, July, in South Africa, SA versus England, and then we'll know.